top 10 attractions of Paris. Number 10. Hôtel de Ville. This grand neo-Renaissance style landmark built centuries ago is home of the city administration. Number 9. Place de la Concorde. The largest square in Paris, it has a 3,000-year-old Egyptian obelisk and is particularly beautiful at night. Number 8. The Pompidou Center, a colorfully creative modern building housing a vast collection of modern art. Number 7. Arc de Triomphe. Built in the early 1800s by Napoleon, the Arc is a symbol of national pride. At the top, you'll find fantastic views of Paris. Number 6 is the Seine boat cruise. It's affordable, convenient, and in a short period of time, you can see many major landmarks of the city. Number 5. Versailles Palace. A royal chateau just outside of Paris has grand architecture, 700 rooms, and beautiful gardens. Number 4. Notre Dame. One of the most recognized symbols in the world and over 750 years old, Notre Dame has incredibly detailed Gothic architecture. Number 3. Sacré-Cœur. This Byzantine-style stunning white church, despised by intellectuals when it was built, is a must-see for Paris visitors. Number 2. The Louvre Museum. Perhaps the world's most famous museum, it hosts thousands of pieces of great art, including Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa. And number 1 is the Eiffel Tower. Amongst the most recognizable and visited monuments in the world, everyone must experience the Eiffel Tower in their lifetime.